Hello guys, welcome to SMH Solutions. Today we are going to discuss regarding how to create users in Azure Active Directory. Right now I opened our Azure portal. From the Azure portal, we will select Azure Active Directory. If we will open this Azure Active Directory, you can see the directory name. It is PK company, and that it should have one ID will be there, and it is having primary domain also, pkcompany.onmicrosoft.com. If you are creating any user, then its name should become user@pkcompany.onmicrosoft.com. user2@pkcompany.onmicrosoft.com, like that. Here I will show you how to add a users in the Azure Active Directory. Go to the users. Here I already created 4 users. I will create one more user, new user, named as Madan. Okay, its username it will become madan@pkcompany.onmicrosoft.com. Name I will give it again Madan. First name Madan, last name Mohan. Then we will go to password option. It is, if we want, we can go through this option, auto generate password, and you can see that password also. If you want to create a password, then click on let me create the password. I will give one password. Then we are coming to groups and roles options. In this groups, if you want, you can select the groups. Right now I didn't create any groups here. In groups we will create it on the next session. Okay, then come here. If you want, you can give the job title. I will give IT manager. Department, IT department. Company name I will give SMH. I will select the manager for this user. I will make it as an admin user. Manage, so he can manage this user. Then I will create it. Now it is creating the user. Here you can see this user is created. Okay, this one is the part of our user member. If you will open this user, it will come to that madan@pkcompany.onmicrosoft.com. It is as part of this tenant. Then identity, you will get everything regarding this one. And if you will come to here, you can see assigned roles. Right now we didn't assign any role for this user, we just create only. If you want to assign the role, you can click on that add assignments. Then you can give whatever the role, if you want to give, you can give it. Then groups, right now it is not as part of any groups. On the next video I will create the groups option, then we can add the user into that group. Just check the license. There is no license assigned for this user here. Whatever the license, if you want, you can assign it also. Next video onwards you will get this kind of things. So right now you know how to add a user in the Azure Active Directory. If you want to add a user that is not in our organization, so for that purpose we are using the option named new guest user option. So it will come to invite user. We'll give one name. I will give Habil. Email ID I will give if you want, you can give first name, last name. Then you can add one personal message. Hi, please join to this message. It will come to his email ID for the activation purpose. Then if you want, you can add the role also. If you want, you can give the job title, everything. Then click invite. So one inviting message, it will go to that user. Then from that user, email ID, he can log in that one. Okay, right now I'm not going to that user email ID. If he will open that email ID, he will get that one. Here you can check what can, yeah, here, yeah, I have created one user, right? Where is that user? It will come. It is not came right now. The reason here is that I already added the same email ID for another user previously. That is why it is not came. I will add again new guest user, invite user. I will give name. Let me create the password. Then, so it is going to create user. Yeah, right now it is in the invite user option. I will give the name as mail ID h.pk@mbg.com. Name Habil PK. Then person message, hi, please join. Right. So it is inviting the user. Habil, it is inviting. Yeah, right now it is came. And here you can see which type, this one, invitation. Like this way you can invite any user. And here, if you want to create bulk number of users, then you can go to bulk create, then download that CSV template. From the CSV template, you can edit this data's name, username, initial password, everything. Then after saving this CSV, you can upload this CSV file. So bulk number of users, it will come together here. If you want to delete also, bulk delete option is there. You can delete bulk of users, as well as if you want to download the user, download the user also. It will start the downloading also. So today's session, we discussed how to create a user and how to invite a new guest user also. In the next session, you will get regarding the how to create groups. So next section we can see them. Yeah, it is already succeeded now. It's downloaded now. If you will open this one, you can see whatever the uses we have created here, everything you are getting. The user principal name you are getting, display name you are getting, surname, mail, the member type, which job title, like that, everything. So guys, next video we can see now.